Smarter with Netatmo. Manual usage of the thermostat. Once installed, Smarter with Netatmo works immediately, just like a normal thermostat. Smarter with Netatmo has 3 screens that you can swipe to view. These will show you the measured humidity level, the set temperature, and the measured temperature. In order to set the temperature, go to the Set Temperature screen and use the red or blue arrow to increase or decrease the desired temperature. If you press and hold the arrow, the adjustment speed increases and vibrates at every step, letting you know the device is responding. Then the hand icon will illuminate. This represents that the thermostat is in manual mode. Once the selected temperature is reached, the thermostat will go back to the home screen, and the flame symbol illuminates, showing that the boiler is turned on. The boost function is very useful and easy to activate, allowing you to switch on the heating for 30, 60 or 90 minutes. To activate, simply press the boost key and select the desired time. The flame symbol will illuminate, letting you know boost is activated. Touch the boost key again if you want to stop the function. While the boost function is on, the red line will decrease to indicate how much time is left. Once the boost time has finished, the thermostat will revert to the set schedule.